Yes, they do.
They do?
Yeah.
Sunnis do.
Yes.
What if I showed you from here, Bukhari, that Muhammad was bewitched and Satan put words in his mouth?
That has nothing to do with committing sins.
No.
A prophet does not commit sins.
So
That's what being masoom means.
which is worse? Committing sin or Satan putting words in your mouth? Hold on. As a prophet, which is worse? You committing sin or Satan putting words in your mouth and you go preaching that to many people? Maybe that's how the butchering happened.
No, this is something that you're referring to a very specific event. And the scholars have discussed this and have said that this is actually evidence that he was a prophet of God.
That Satan put words in his mouth.
That he corrected this. I mean, there are some scholars who dispute the veracity of that, but I'll concede that
they don't dispute the
this is
veracity.
something that is
This is Sahih Bukhari.
no.